Look around you. Most people are stuck in the grind. They trade hours for dollars, chasing a check that always seems to shrink. They call it hard work. We call it the trap. They believe the only path to wealth is luck or a massive inheritance. They are wrong. There is a select few who understand the true mechanism of exponential wealth. They don't work hard. They build systems. They don't rely on effort. They rely on leverage. They know the pathway from zero capital to generating $100,000 every single month is not a secret. It's a formula. This is not a get-rich-quick promise. This is a blueprint, a cold, hard strategy to escape the limits of your own time. This requires more than effort. It requires a complete mindset transplant. If you're looking for easy answers, turn off the video now. If you're ready to build a machine that prints money while you sleep, stay locked in. This is Millionaire Thoughts. The harsh reality and the mindset transfusion. Let's cut through the noise immediately. Generating $100,000 per month from a $0 start is not achieved by small ideas. It's achieved by solving massive problems for a price that reflects the solution's impact. The math of scale. To earn $100,000 a month, you need one of three scenarios. Low ticket volume. Sell a $20 product 10,000 times. This requires massive audiences, complex marketing, and a huge ad spend. This is not the $0 path. Mid-ticket effort. Sell a $200 product 500 times. Better, but still requires significant volume and inventory management, likely capping you around $30K. High-ticket leverage. Sell a $10,000 service or product 10 times. This is the only viable path to $100K a month starting from zero cash, relying only on your skills and time. You need to focus on fewer clients that pay you exponentially more. The $0 investment myth. When we say, start from $0, we mean zero financial capital. But that empty bank account must be offset by a massive investment of human capital. Your time, your dedication, and your willingness to acquire a high-value, high-demand skill that directly generates revenue for a client. Your first priority is not content creation. It is skill mastery. Finding your high-value niche, the pillars of 6 figures. Not all niches are created equal. The niches that scale to $100,000 a month share a common DNA. They have low physical overhead and they provide an immediate, measurable return on investment, ROI, for the client. Pillar 1, performance-based consulting, the agency model. This is the fastest path from $0 to $10K, and the most reliable to scale to $100K. You are selling a service that makes businesses money. Examples include digital advertising, running Facebook, Google, or TikTok ads for e-commerce or lead generation. High-level appointment setting, securing qualified sales calls for B2B firms. Sales funnel optimization, fixing broken marketing systems. Businesses happily pay $5,000 to $15,000 per month for services that generate $50,000 in return. The demand is endless. Pillar 2, high-level coaching and mentorship. This is selling mastery. It requires deep expertise in a topic with a high perceived value. This is not life coaching. This is transformational coaching. Example: teaching entrepreneurs how to navigate complex tax laws or teaching executives a specific high-demand leadership framework. You sell access to your results in your system. You charge premium prices because you save the client years of trial and error. Pillar 3, the system builder, SaaS or productized service. This is the ultimate long-term play. Build a tool or a highly standardized non-custom service that businesses pay for monthly. While the initial creation requires significant time, the moment it's functional, it becomes pure, leveraged recurring revenue. Your first assignment: choose one of these pillars and spend 90 days becoming relentlessly good at it. Your success is built on a narrow focus. The leveraged business model. Escaping the time trap. This is the core of the blueprint. The journey to 100K is defined by 3 necessary, non-negotiable transitions. Most people never make it past phase 1. Phase 1, validation and the time trap. 10K, 20K month. You are the doer. You are grinding. You are securing your first 2 to 5 clients through sheer effort, cold outreach, and word of mouth. The good news, you have proven your skill is valuable. The bad news, you are now the bottleneck. Your income is capped because you are still trading your time for money. Your goal in phase 1 is not to scale your income, but to validate your process and create your standard operating procedure, SOP. Every step from onboarding to delivery must be documented. Phase 2, productization in the system, 30K, 50K month. This is the transition point. You stop selling your time and start selling your system. You take the SOP you created in phase 1 and hire your first piece of leverage. A virtual assistant, a junior employee, or an outsourced specialist. Your role changes from the executor to the manager and strategist. You now manage the system. Your team executes it. You are leveraging other people's time, OPT. This allows you to serve 3 to 5 times more clients with roughly the same amount of your personal effort. This is where your income jumps quickly, because you have replaced your most expensive input, your own time, with a system you can delegate. Phase 3, automation, scaling, and the multiplier, 100K plus month. To reach true 6-figure monthly income, you must eliminate the human element from your sales process and scale your delivery. Sales automation. Move away from one-on-one sales calls. Utilize automated webinars, high-ticket VSLs, video sales letters, and smart email sequences to qualify prospects before they ever speak to a human. Product scale. Package your proven system, your SOP, into a high-ticket, cohort-based online program or course. This is the multiplier. Instead of taking on one agency client for 10K, you enroll 20 students at 5K each. You deliver the solution once, via recorded modules and group calls, but get paid 20 times. Capital investment. You must now invest a portion of your profits, the profits generated from the leverage system in phase 2, into paid advertising. This creates a reliable, predictable stream of qualified leads for your automated sales funnel. This is the final loop. Money buys attention, attention buys enrollment, enrollment scales your system. The strategic role of YouTube, the lead generation machine. Most people think YouTube is for AdSense. For a 100K monthly income goal, YouTube is your authority funnel. It's the engine that drives qualified, pre-sold leads to your high-ticket offer. The content strategy. Authority, not entertainment. Your videos are not meant to entertain millions. They are meant to convince high-value clients that you are the only solution to their expensive problem. Your content must be 90% actionable value, giving away the best of your knowledge, what we call the 1% rule. Give away your 1% blueprint for free, because clients who get results from the free 1% will line up to pay for your 99% execution and system access. The critical call to action, CTA. Your video's goal is not a like or a subscribe. Its goal is to get a qualified lead into your funnel. Every video must end with a single high-value resource. Do not ask them to buy. Ask them to take the next step in your system. Offer a free case study, a 5-step SOP PDF, or a limited time training webinar. This is the gate that filters out the casual viewer and keeps only the serious, problem-aware client. This resource leads directly to your automated sales funnel. The power of trust. The high-ticket sales model is built on trust. Your YouTube channel is the primary source of that trust. It's where your potential clients see your expertise, your confidence, and your track record. Never compromise on the depth or honesty of your advice. The financial structure and long-term discipline generating 100K is only half the battle. Keeping it requires structure and discipline. Reinvestment is the rule. In the scaling phases, phase 2 and 3, you cannot afford to pocket all the profit. A significant portion, upwards of 30-50% of your gross revenue, must be immediately reinvested into two things: talent, hiring more specialists, and traffic, paid advertising. The wealthy view their profit not as personal spending money, but as fuel for the machine, protecting the machine. As your income crosses the 50K month threshold, you must immediately legitimize your structure. Incorporate an LLC or a corporation. Hire an accountant who understands business taxation. Operating at this scale as a casual freelancer is not only financially foolish but legally dangerous. This is not optional. This is foundational. The discipline of the system. The goal is not to work more, but to ensure the system works perfectly. Your daily focus should shift from doing tasks to optimizing the systems that do the tasks. This is the ultimate discipline of the millionaire. Spending time only on the things that offer the highest leverage: strategy, innovation, and high-level hiring. You now have the blueprint, the 3 phases of leverage: the financial structure, the content strategy. Most people who heard this will dismiss it as too much work, too complex, too far away. And those people will remain in the trap. They will continue to trade their one and only finite resource, their time, for a fixed, inadequate wage. They lack the courage to build the machine. They lack the discipline to leave their comfort zone. But you are different. You listened to this entire transmission from Millionaire Thoughts. Now you must act. The difference between hearing the blueprint and building the blueprint is the chasm between where you are today and the $100,000 monthly reality. Take the first step now, don't just subscribe. Download the exclusive 3-step high-ticket SOP blueprint linked below. It details the exact delegation strategy for phase 2. Click that link now and escape the trap forever. The work begins.